In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix controller not working in Rocket League. So first you want to do is open Steam. Here you want to go click at the top left and then click settings. Here you're going to see an option where it says controller. So when you plug in your controller, you're going to see the test button. So the button will appear somewhere over here. You're going to click begin test to test your controller to see if it's connected and if it's working. So now make sure this button, this option is turned on, the guide button, focus, Steam. Make sure this is enabled. Now you have to make sure if you're using a PS5 or PS4 controller that you have this selected to either enabled or enabled in games without support. So either one would work. Just make sure you have this enabled. And if you are using an Xbox controller, make sure this is enabled. And if you're using a Switch controller, enable this one. If you're using a generic controller, Switch, enable this one. Now here's that option also if you're interested. So this will shut down your controller automatically if you are like not using it. If you want it to not shut it down, just make sure this is switched to never. And that's it.